Hi everyone, so for today's Blairvadach bike I'm going to be teaching you how to do a bunny hop. What is a bunny hop? Well, a bunny hop is basically where you're going to be hopping your bike over an obstacle. Now this could be on a trail or it could just be something that you've set up as a little challenge for yourself. It's a really useful skill to know when you're mountain biking because it can make things flow a little bit easier and you can often miss out on those bumpy routes. Now when you're going to be practicing your bunny hop, you want to be in a nice quiet location away from traffic so that you're nice and safe. Remember, you want to have your helmet on and some gloves for some protection, and then when you're practicing skills like this, you want to have your seat nice and low out of the way. The bunny hop is actually a combination of two skills joined together. I'm going to break these down, so we're going to focus on the front wheel lift first, then we'll move on to the rear wheel lift, and then after that we're going to combine the two and we're going to practice the bunny hop.
For the front wheel lift, I start off with my weight over the handlebars and then shift my weight backwards to bring the front wheel up. With my weight over the back wheel, I still have a slight bend in my knees and my arms are straight. Remember to keep your pedals level when you're practicing and do it at a steady rolling speed. It will make it much easier. The rear wheel lift can be quite a tricky part of doing a bunny hop, but it's definitely worthwhile practicing. It's a useful skill in itself. To do the rear wheel lift, you want to be moving your hips up and forwards, and then that should help bring up the rear wheel. You can also use a little bit of scoop where you're bringing your feet up to your body, and that will also help bring your rear wheel up. Now it's time to practice the bunny hop. Remember, we're going to start off with bringing the front wheel up, shifting our weight backwards, and then you'll be moving your hips up and forwards to bring the rear wheel up. Let's look at that again. I move my weight back to get the front wheel up, lift the hips forwards and up, and then that brings my rear wheel up. The key to this is lots of practice. Now we can look at it in normal speed.
So there we have it folks, that's the bunny hop. Now if you like this video, check out our YouTube channel where you can find out loads more Blairvadach bikes, and check out our Twitter feed where we're always posting updates.